Looking for a job but not sure how to ask for help in English? Don't worry. In this video, you'll learn simple phrases and expressions to confidently ask friends, colleagues, or connections for support in your job search. Let's begin.
Hi Omar, good morning.
Morning, Nadia. It's been a while.
Yes, how have you been?
Doing well, thank you, and you?
I've been okay. Actually, I wanted to talk to you.
Sure, what's going on?
I'm currently looking for a job.
Oh, really? Since when?
About a month now.
What kind of role are you looking for?
Something in marketing or communications.
That fits your background well.
Yes, I have experience in content and brand management.
That's great. Any specific industry?
Open to tech, media, or education sectors.
Got it. Are you applying actively?
Yes, but it's been slow.
It can be tough sometimes.
I know. That's why I thought maybe you could help.
I'll do my best. What kind of help do you need?
Maybe some referrals or leads.
Sure, let's see what I can do.
I'd really appreciate it.
Do you have an updated CV?
Yes, I can send it to you today.
Perfect. I'll take a look.
Also, I've updated my LinkedIn.
That helps a lot.
Do you know if your company is hiring?
I think we have a few openings.
In marketing?
Possibly. I'll check with HR.
That would be amazing.
Do you want to send me a short cover letter too?
Yes, I'll write one tonight.
Great. Makes it easier to refer you internally.
Thanks, Omar.
No problem. Have you tried job platforms?
Yes, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and Indeed.
Good. Networking is still the best way.
That's why I'm reaching out.
Smart move.
Do you know anyone in the media industry?
Actually, yes, my friend Layla works at a media agency.
Do you think she'd be open to talk?
I can ask. Want me to connect you to?
Please, that would help a lot.
I'll message her today.
Thank you so much.
Do you want me to help you practice interviews too?
That would be really helpful.
Great. We can do a mock session later this week.
Awesome.
What's the hardest part for you right now?
staying motivated.
I understand. It can feel discouraging.
Especially with no replies.
Yes, but keep pushing.
I will.
Also, tailor your CV for each role.
I've started doing that.
Good, and follow up after applying.
That's a good tip.
Use LinkedIn to message hiring managers too.
I'll try that.
Want me to review your LinkedIn profile?
Yes, please.
Send me the link.
I'll do that now.
Also, keep track of where you apply.
I've made a spreadsheet.
Very organized.
I'm trying to stay on top of it.
That's great. Shows discipline.
Thank you.
I'll also forward you a few job boards I like.
That would be helpful.
And maybe subscribe to some industry newsletters.
Good idea.
You never know where a lead can come from.
True.
And don't forget, sometimes it just takes one yes.
I keep telling myself that.
You've got good skills, Nadia.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Just keep showing up and asking for help.
Like I'm doing now.
Exactly.
Do you think I should consider internships too?
If it leads to a job, yes, especially if paid.
Good point.
And maybe volunteer for a few projects to build visibility.
I can do that.
You're already taking all the right steps.
Thanks, Omar.
I'll send you a summary of everything we discussed.
Please do.
And let's follow up next week.
I'd love that.
We'll keep working on this together.
You've been such a big help already.
I'm happy to support.
I'll send you everything this evening.
Perfect. Looking forward to it.
Thanks again.
Anytime, Nadia. You've got this.
Talk soon.
Absolutely. Take care.